In the heart of the skies, a delta-winged Predator cuts through the clouds with dot elegance and fury. This is the Mirage 2000, France's crown jewel of aerial warfare. Today, we witness it in action. Born from the need for speed and precision, the Mirage 2000 was designed by Dassault Aviation to dominate the cold dot war skies. Its unmistakable delta-wing dot design is not just beautiful, it's lethal. Powered by the mighty SNECMA M53 dot engine, this supersonic jet can reach Mach 10 to port, outrunning and outmaneuvering threats with ease. Its fly-by-wire controls offer unmatched stability, even during dot aggressive maneuvers. Step inside the cockpit, where dot cutting-edge avionics meet pilot intuition. With a hands-on throttle and stick system, dot multifunction displays, and radar-capable dot of tracking multiple targets, the Mirage 2000 is a hunter's dream. From precision strikes to air-to-air duels, the Mirage 2000 has proven itself in dot conflicts across the globe. From the Persian Gulf to South Asia, it is armed with Magic II and MICA missiles delivering dot deadly accuracy. But the Mirage 2000 is not only a warrior, it's a performer. At air shows, it dances across the sky with breathtaking rolls, loops, and high G turns, showcasing the very best of French aerospace dot engineering. With over 600 units built and serving in multiple air forces, the Mirage 2000's dot legacy spans continents. From the French Air Force to the Indian Air Force, it has defended skies for more than 4 decades. In a world of stealth and drones, the Mirage 2000 stands as a reminder that beauty and power can share the same sky. It's more than a fighter jet, it's a legend, written in contrails. If you felt the rush of the Mirage 2000 in action, smash that like button, share this with a fellow aviation enthusiast, and subscribe for more supersonic news from Dotted, the fastest skies on Earth.